Hey, what's up? Again, this is Greed for Money, and this is going to be my increase box Pinoy tutorials. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so firstly, ang mga gagawin natin is magre-register lang ng account once sa increasebox.com, then mag-click ng ads daily, and then repeat mo lang siya kinabukasan. Araw-araw, mag-spend ka ng mga 10 minutes sa pag-click ng ads. Yan lang siya kasimple. Alright, so let's get into it. Firstly, what I'm gonna do is we just have to go to my Sulit homepage. That's going to be greedformoney.sulit.com.ph. So dito mo biniview ngayon yung aking tutorial. Alright, and right now nandito ka sa screen na ito. Okay, so all you need to do is you can just either right click on here or click on here or here. Pwede dyan sa kahit isa dyan. Pero I would suggest na mag right click ka muna like this one. Right click ka muna ng ganyan and then click mo yung open link in new tab. Alright, so let's say dito, click here to register. So right click, then open link in new tab. Okay, so click natin yan. And manonotice mo na merong lalabas ditong window. Okay? So I suggest na gumamit ka ng Mozilla Firefox para mas mabilis ang browsing experience mo. Alright? So here we go. So this is increasebox.com. So una nating gagawin is we just have to fill out the details here. So ito na yung registration screen. Okay? So let's say create ka ng username mo, let's say newbie, password, then confirm password, then put your email address, let's say newbie@gmail.com, alert pay address and PayPal address. So I think you already know this. Kung hindi pa, punta lang kayo dito sa may bandang taas ng homepage ko sa sulit.com. Then click mo lang tong PayPal or alert pay. Okay? So yung email address na ipang-re-register mo dito is ayun din ang ipang-re-register mo dito sa registration form. Okay? So balik lang tayo doon. Let's say ang email address ko sa alert pay is newbie@gmail.com. Same thing sa PayPal, newbie@gmail.com. Referral dito na. Then detected country, hindi mo na kailangan lagyan na yan ng kung ano yan. And then type the verification code. So YND. Okay? So you just have to click here, register an account. So once you click on that, register an account mo. So it's time to make money. Alright, so once na-register mo na yung account mo, all you need to do is you just have to click on login. Click mo lang itong button na to and mapupunta ka dito sa screen na ito. Alright, so I'm just gonna log in sa aking increasebox account. Alright, type the verification code and click login. Alright, so ito ang aking increasebox account information. So as you can see, ito siya ang overview. Here's my balance and yung mga clicks ko nandito. Alright. Now, this is how to make money sa Increasebox. Click mo lang tong surf ads. So, nakikita mo ito. So, click mo lang yan. And then, once you click on that, mapupunta tayo dito sa advertisements. So, i-click mo lang itong mga ads na ito. Mga nakikita mo yan. So, click mo lang yan lahat. So, isa-isa lang ang click. Alright, so gagawin ko siya. Click ng isa, and then click. Then, same thing, yung mga ads na makikita mo dito is, you know, all about money-making programs. And, yun, iba-iba. Blogging, pay-to-click sites, lahat iba-iba. But mostly it's all about making money online. Alright. So, ito na siya. So, as we can see here, ito yung ads na naklik natin. And then, merong timer. Tama tong timer na to. So, hihintayin lang natin siya matapos. Usually, it would take like 30 seconds para matapos yung timer. Alright? So, that's it. Then, wait lang ng konti. And, eto na siya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yan na. So, magra-run siya, and then makikita natin dito is you have been credited for clicking the advertisement. So feel free to remain to explore the website. So gawin natin dyan is i-close lang natin siya. So click mo lang to, close tab, close, then click na naman tayo ng iba pang ads. So ganun lang simple ang gagawin. Click lang ng ads, make money online, and that's it. So, ito na naman yung ads. Mag-run na naman siya. So, ito, on this ads, it's all about writingjobs.com. So, realwritingjobs.com. So, get paid to write articles and stories. Yung mga ads. So, kung meron kang edge sa writing, gusto mong mag-sign up dito, then pwede kang mag-sign up sa mga ads na nakikita mo. Pero, you are not required to sign up. Okay? Just to make money. It's optional. Kung gusto mong mag-click lang ng ads, di mag-click ka lang, and kikita ka sa pag-click ng ads. Okay? Usually, ang pag-click ng ads is sa increase box. Usually, it is 0.8. I think it's less than 1 cent sa increase box pagka free member ka. Pero pagka upgraded member ka sa increase box, like golden member, it's gonna be 1 cent per click. Actually, up to 2 cents per click. Depende sa type ng membership mo. Pero you're not required to upgrade, alright? So, tapos na tayo dito, naklik na natin. So, click X. Alright. So, now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click all of these ads. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Click lang natin. And then, I'm gonna get back to you once na matapos ko siyang i-click lahat. Okay? Okay, so, again, naklik ko na siya lahat. As you can see, meron check signs. And check. So just to make sure na naklik natin siya ng tama is I'm just gonna click on refresh. Refresh ko lang. And then you are already logged in. Click lang natin yung ads. Okay. So makikita niyo meron siyang clock sign. So meaning na naklik na natin siya. Alright? So all we need to do is mag-login lang ulit tayo sa increase box account bukas, and then mag-click lang ulit ng ads. Ganun lang kasimple. And to check the balance sa mga naklik ko, eto na siya. Balance, eto. Ma-update yan dito sa balance na yan. Alright? So, ganun na siya kadali. Alright, so I think that will be all. And if in case that you have more questions, well, nandito ko na sa Sulit homepage ko. Just send me a personal message. Just go to greedformoney.sulit.com.ph. So I thank you for your time watching my video, and you have a good night. Bye-bye.